Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your homes. So, today I am going to start a very interesting story, a very interesting chapter of your Gulmohar book, that is chapter 5, The Golden Bird. Okay, students? So, just open your books and try to understand it with me. So I am just going to read this chapter and also explain you step by step. It's a very interesting story about a golden bird. So you can see in this picture, it is a golden bird. Where it lives with the king in his palace, and it's a very interesting story. So be ready and let's start now. Here students, you can see it's a golden bird in a golden cage, or here is a king. So see in the story. There was once a king who had a golden bird in a golden cage. Cage means pinjra. Golden, you know, golden colored bird. So once upon a time there was a king, एक राजा था, और he who had a golden bird, जिसके पास ये golden bird रहती थी. Every day someone in the palace gave her food and water and groomed her fine yellow feathers. So students, as you know that if the bird is just lives in with the king, so obviously the treatment with the bird is also like a king. So it's a very pleasure to the bird that she had every day very good quality food and water and everything whatever she required in her cage only. Okay, groomed means brushed and clean because she lived with the king. So that's why her fine yellow feathers is just cleaned by the servants of the staff of the king. So she is too much happy with the king. Okay, bird, and each day the bird sang for the king. So when the bird is treated very good way, so bird is also sang songs for the king. Got it, beta? See the next para. But as time passed, the king began to feel sorry for the bird. Sorry for the bird means feel sad about. Means sometimes what happen, we just done some work, but in the inner soil of our just sometimes we just feel guilt like. So same feeling the king was felt that time. He felt sorry because as we know that we just don't have birds in a cage. So king, चाहे वो bird तो golden थी, बट वो किंग को ऐसा लगा कि उसने उसको कैद कर रखा है पिंजरे में अननेसेसरी, सिर्फ अपने एंजॉयमेंट के रिगार्डिंग. तो इसलिए किंग फील सॉरी फॉर हर. उसको लगा मुझे एक पक्षी को कैद नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि बर्ड्स एनिमल्स की भी अपनी पर्सनल फ्रीडम होती है. सो दैट्स वाई उसको ऐसा फील हुआ. इट्स नॉट राइट, ही थॉट, to hold a bird in a cage. So he told his men to set her free. So king felt very bad about the birds. Ki only for his enjoyment he have a bird in a cage. So it's not a right thing. So he decided to set her free. So as he was a king, so he asked his men, his servants to set the bird free, मतलब let her out the cage so that she could go wherever she wanted. वो जहाँ भी उड़ना चाहे खुले आसमान में, वो bird free है. Okay, because king felt guilt about the bird कि only for his enjoyment he have a bird in a cage. The men took the cage deep into the forest, set it down, opened the door and went away. So according to the ordered by the king, the men took the cage and deep into the forest. In the forest, जहाँ बहुत जंगल था, क्योंकि एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स हमें पता है कहाँ रहते हैं, दे आर लिव्ड इन जंगल. सो सेम द ऑर्डर्ड बाय द किंग. सो men are doing same order and set it down, opened the door तो उसके केज का जो पिंजरे का जो एक दरवाजा था वो खोल दिया एंड शी वेंट अवे, वो वहां पर उड़ गई. द गोल्डन बर्ड होप्ड आउट. नाउ शी हैज अ वेरी good hope about the new life. She looked around her. She was hungry. But what happened in the king's palace? Everything is available in the cage only. But now she is free. So she looked around her. She just looked around her surroundings and she was hungry. She want to eat something, but at present time she was hungry. She have to earn her own to have something. After a while, she saw a monkey swinging from a tree. After some time, what happened? She saw a monkey is swinging. As we know, monkeys are swinging on the tree, from a tree. So, he just looked at the monkey there. Hello, dear, said the monkey. Who are you? So, she said, hello. As we introduce someone by saying hello, so same happened with her. Who are you? The bird tossed her head. So, monkey ने पूछा, अरे तुम कौन हो, यहाँ पे नहीं लगती हो. The bird tossed her head and said. Tossed her head का मतलब बेटा moved her head back proudly. मतलब somewhat she is in attitude that I am a golden bird. She said, I am a golden bird. You know me? I am a golden bird of king. I can see you're new to the forest, said the monkey. So the monkey replied that, okay, I can see you. Yes, I know you are new here. So I can see you. मेरे को लगता है तुम इस जंगल में नहीं आई हो. Do you want to see the best places to the feet? So up you are hungry. So you want to eat for something for best places want to go. Okay, I will. What can a monkey teach me? Replied the bird. So what happened? When monkey asked to her, do you want to see the best places to feed? क्या तुम्हें खाने की वो बढ़िया बढ़िया जगह जाना चाहती हो मेरे साथ? What can a monkey teach me? Replied the bird. हाँ, monkey, तुम क्या मुझे सिखाओगे? Bird ने बड़े attitude में आंसर दिया. And you have such a funny face. So the bird just making fun of the face of about the monkey face, that you have such a funny face. Have you seen my beautiful beak? She added. She again proudly say, what? Have you seen my beautiful beak? How beautiful I am. I am just a golden bird. She say, how beautiful beak I have. She added. Do you like? Said the monkey. So do as you like. Monkey said, okay, as you wish. It's your wish. You want to go with me or not? As he swing off into the trees, and he just start again swing off. The trees mean to say move from one tree to another tree by swinging on the branches. He again just busy with his work. Some time later, after some time, what happened? The golden bird heard a hissing noise. So students, do you know his sound is come from where? Yes, it's a snake sound. Hiss. So after some time, the golden bird heard a hissing sound. It means there was some any snake there. There was a snake noise in the grass and saw a snake. So again, when the hiss sound, it means it was a snake. So the golden bird saw that it was a snake in the grass. Turn the next page, beta. Yes, see beta on the top. Well, hello, hissed the snake. So snake in his voice just hissed and say hello to a new member in a jungle. Who are you? I am the golden bird. So again golden bird said proudly, who are you? Replied the bird. Yes, I am a golden bird. Again she is very in a attitude, in a arrogant behavior. She said, come, let me show you the forest, said the snake. So snake replied to her that, yes, come with me. I will show you the forest. Okay. No, said the bird. Again she denied to go with snake. She said, no, I don't want to go with you. What can a snake teach me? Huh? क्या snake मुझे क्या सिखाएगा? And you have a hissing voice? हाँ, तुम्हारी इतनी बेकार सी hissing sound है. I don't like your sound, hissing sound. Do you know? I sing beautifully. Do you know my voice? Do you know how beautiful I sing? So again she answered proudly. So very well, hissed the snake, and he slithered away. Means okay, snake again answered okay, very well, अच्छी बात है अगर आप अच्छा गाना गाते हो. और वो वहां से चला गया. Slithered away mean to say बेटा moved quickly and smoothly by twisting its body. As we know that snake move in a ऐसे ऐसे चलता है स्नेक की, तो वो अपनी बॉडी को वैसे ही वहां से करते हुए चला गया. नेक्स्ट पैरा सी. जस्ट देन something moved in the tree in front of the bird. So after some time, what happened? She saw something moved in the tree in front of the bird. She looked up and saw a chameleon. तो उसने एकदम सामने देखा, तो उसको कौन दिखा? कैमिलियन. आपको पता है कैमिलियन को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं गिरगिट. अ टाइप ऑफ अ गार्डन लिजर्ड. वो चिपकली की तरह होता है. एंड दैट कैन चेंज इट्स कलर मैच द प्लेस इट इज इन. मीन्स जो बेटा ये होते हैं ना कैमिलियन, ये अगर ट्री के ट्रंक पर बैठा है तो ब्राउन हो जाएगा, लीव्स पर बैठा है तो ग्रीन हो जाएगा, और अगर ये किसी और प्लेस पर होता है तो ये ऑलमोस्ट सेम कलर उसका ही ले लेता है. तो he was the same color as the tree trunk. So at this time he was sitting on the tree trunk. So a same color chameleon have according to tree trunk, like to say it was in brown color, okay, as tree trunk. You must be the golden bird when I am in danger. उसने क्या बोला? तुम क्या हो? जरूर एक गोल्डन बर्ड हो. When I am in danger, I do something wonderful. Let me show you. So अगर कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लमेटिक में होता हूं मैं, तो मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छी एक वंडरफुल एक चीज है. Let me show you. I will show you. Come, said the chameleon. तो उसने उसको बोला मेरे पास एक बहुत मैजिक एक अच्छी सी चीज है, मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. क्या है वो? कलर चेंजिंग फैसिलिटी. मैं जिस चीज पर बैठता हूँ वैसे ही कलर का कर लेता हूँ. अगर कभी मैं प्रॉब्लमेटिक होता हूँ तो मुझे उसका सेम कलर होने की वजह से जल्दी से कोई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर सकता. So it is just like a magic. So I will show you. No thanks, replied the bird again. So again the bird replied, no thanks, I don't want. Okay, I am happy. I don't want your any kind of help or favor. What could a lizard like you teach me? Again, she is too much arrogant and have attitude. So again she proudly replied to him that what could a lizard? एक छिपकली मुझे क्या सिखाएगी? Don't you wish to had a golden feathers like me? So तुम्हारा मन नहीं करता मेरी तरह इतने beautiful golden feather तुम्हारे भी हों? Well, I try to help you. Again, same answer. So chameleon replied, okay, it's your wish. I just try to help you. Muttered the chameleon and darted away. Muttered means बेटा spoke in a low voice. Like हम लोग जैसे कभी कभी कुछ हमसे कुछ पूछा जाता है और हमें उसका सेटिस्फैक्ट्री आंसर नहीं मिलता, तो हम जस्ट उसको विस्परिंग साउंड में हल्का सा बोलते हुए निकल जाते हैं. दैट वन. एंड दैटर्ड अवे मीन्स मूव्ड अवे क्विकली. वो वहां से फिर चला गया भाग के एकदम से क्विकली. सडनली द गोल्डन बर्ड सॉ अ लार्ज ईगल अबव. देन व्हाट हैपन? गोल्डन बर्ड ने एकदम देखा एक बहुत बड़ी ईगल. क्या होती है ईगल? बहुत बड़ी चील उसके फॉरेस्ट में उसके ऊपर आ गई. जस्ट द अदर एनिमल टू स्पॉटेड द ईगल. सो अदर एनिमल ऑल्सो जस्ट स्पॉटेड द ईगल. उन्होंने भी उसको देखा कि अरे बाप रे ईगल आ गई है. द मंकी हिड अमंग द लीव्स ऑफ द ट्री. सो मंकी नो द फुल जंगल, सो हिड अमंग द लीव्स ऑफ द ट्रीज. द स्नेक slid into the deepest part of the ground. So snake slid मतलब moved quietly and quickly. हमें पता है स्नेक कहाँ रहते हैं? होल्स के अंदर. तो वो ग्राउंड के डीपेस्ट पार्ट में एकदम जाके छुप गया. द कैमिलियन ऑल्सो स्टेड क्वाइट स्टिल. सो कैमिलियन ऑल्सो स्टेट बिल्कुल ऐसे हो गया वो ट्री ट्रंक पे बिल्कुल क्वाइट स्टिल. वो पहचान में ही नहीं आ रहा था, रिकॉग्नाइज ही नहीं हो सकता था. नो वन कुड सी हिम बिकॉज ही जस्ट चेंज द सेम कलर वेयर ही वॉज सिट. So what happened? The golden bird was scared of the eagle. अब now golden bird को डर लगने लगा. She just scared of the eagle. Wanted to fly away fast. She wanted to fly again, like other animals hide somewhere, so she also want to fly. But what happened? She wanted to fly away fast. She flapped her wings. She flapped her wings. उड़ने के लिए उसने अपने विंग्स को फ्लैप्ड करा. फ्लैप्ड मीन्स उसे अपने उड़ने की कोशिश करी, फड़फड़ाई. एंड दे वर वीक, बट वो बहुत स्मॉल थी, छोटी थी, और वो कमज़ोर भी थी, बिकॉज उसे पिंजरे में इतने उड़ने की प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं थी. शी हैड नेवर यूज टू देम इन द किंग्स पैलेस, क्योंकि उसने किंग के अंदर वो पैलेस पे तो वो पिंजरे में रहती थी, तो शी हैड नो प्रैक्टिस ऑफ फ्लाइंग. एंड नाउ शी कुड नॉट फ्लाई. अब as we know that practice makes a man perfect, but she don't have any kind of practice, so that's why now she could not fly. अब वो उड़ नहीं पा रही थी. So please help me someone, she cried. So when she was found herself in danger, so she cried, please help me someone. At that moment the golden bird felt something like a rope pulling her into the some bushes. So what happened? At the moment golden bird felt, उसको ऐसा realize हुआ कि something like a rope pulling her into the bushes. उसको एक कोई चीज रस्सी की तरह bushes की तरफ पुल खींच रही है. It was the snake. So it was snake who came to help her. Then a long hairy arm lifted her up. Then again she realized one long lifted arm, एक बड़े से हाथ ने उसको पकड़कर ऊपर ट्री की तरफ खींच लिया. इट वॉज द मंकी. नाउ सी ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो व्हाट हैपन नेक्स्ट? डोंट मूव, whispered the chameleon and pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. So what happened? She heard a whispering chameleon that he said to her that don't move. एंड ही जस्ट पुश्ड, उसको उठा के उसने क्या करा? सेंटर ऑफ अ लार्ज येलो फ्लावर. एक बहुत, वो गोल्डन कलर की थी, तो गोल्डन में येलो कलर दिखेगा नहीं, इसलिए ही जस्ट पुश्ड हर इनटू द सेंटर ऑफ अ लार्ज येलो फ्लावर. द ईगल वॉन्ट सी यू देयर. उसने बोला तुम उस येलो फ्लावर के अंदर बिल्कुल स्टिल वैसे ही बैठी रहना, जिससे कि ईगल तुम्हें देख ना पाए. ओके. द गोल्डन बर्ड वॉज जस्ट द कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर. सो बिकॉज, क्योंकि येलो एंड गोल्डन बर्ड वो जो कलर था वो दोनों सेम सेम हो गए, तो ईगल कांट रिकॉग्नाइज, ईगल कुडंट रिकॉग्नाइज हर. सो द ईगल डिड नॉट सी हर एंड फ्लू स्ट्रेट पास्ट हर. सो what happened next? The eagle did not see her. ईगल ने उसको नहीं पहचाना, नहीं देखा, and flew straight past her, means flew to the other side without seeing her. So how can I thank you all? Exclaimed the bird. You saved my life. So now she realized that how helpful her friends in a jungle. So she replied to all of them that I am so glad to have a good friends like you. So how can I thank you all? You saved my life. You can sing for us, replied the animal kindly. So as she was a golden bird, so all the animals kindly replied to her that okay, if you want to say thank to us, just you can sing a song for us. Okay. From then on, the monkey, the snake and the chameleon looked after the golden bird. After that time, they all are friends, and monkey, snake and chameleon just looked after the golden little baby bird, and she sang her beautiful song for them every day. And the golden bird also enjoyed in their company and also sang a very beautiful songs for them every day. So hope students you enjoyed this reading and explanation of this interesting story, The Golden Bird. Just revise it once again and try to understand it. Thank you for listening me carefully.